What if Samsung's next big smartphone isn't just about a better camera or brighter screen, but about taking the entire flagship experience to a new level with sheer power and precision? That's exactly what the Galaxy S26 Ultra is hinting at, and things are getting interesting. Based on the official firmware file, it's now confirmed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite series chip. Expected to be labeled as Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the chip shows up in the firmware as PMK8850, which follows the pattern of last year's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra that had the code 8750. This is a clear sign that Samsung is once again going for the very best from Qualcomm, ensuring top-tier performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is expected to bring major upgrades in efficiency, speed, and AI capabilities, but what's even more exciting is how Samsung is planning to optimize this power through its new software, One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. With this version of One UI, users should expect smoother transitions, better multitasking, and smarter battery management. Speaking of battery, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come packed with a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 60-watt fast wired charging, an upgrade that many users have been asking for. Especially for such a high-performance device, camera lovers are in for a treat too. The phone is rumored to carry a 200 megapixels main camera with a wider aperture, which means better low-light photos and more light captured in every shot. Additionally, there's a 50 megapixels telephoto lens offering 5x zoom, also with a wider aperture to boost image clarity at a distance. These camera specs could push the Galaxy S26 Ultra to the top of the mobile photography game. On the display front, expect a 6.9-inch screen with improved brightness and color accuracy. Great news for users who enjoy watching videos or editing photos on the go. The larger display also makes more sense now with the performance upgrades and a powerful chipset at the heart of the device. And then there's the memory. The phone is said to launch with either 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, making it a multitasking beast. You'll be able to switch between games, videos, and apps without any noticeable lag. It's still not clear if the other phones in the Galaxy S26 series, the base and the Plus model, will also use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 or switch to Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chip. A recent leak suggests that Samsung is testing a new heat dissipation system for the Exynos 2600 to handle higher performance levels and reduce overheating. So we might see a mix of chips in the lineup again. But for now, the focus is clearly on the Galaxy S26 Ultra as the performance king. With everything that's been revealed so far, it's shaping up to be Samsung's most powerful phone yet. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or just want a phone that lasts all day and charges super fast, the S26 Ultra might check all your boxes. If Samsung delivers on all these rumored specs, the competition will definitely feel the heat. Let us know in the comments if you think the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is enough to make you upgrade, or if you're waiting to see more from the Exynos side. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on the Galaxy S26 Ultra and everything else happening in the tech world.